10 Tips for Netherlands Digital Nomad. Amsterdam Affiliate Avenue, navigating online sales in the capital. Tulip-fueled telecommuting, blossom your income remotely. Canal Side Consulting, expert advice for Dutch digital nomads. Rotterdam Remote Freelancing, building global clients from the port. Dutch Design Dollars, turning creativity into cash online. Utrecht Urban Entrepreneurship, from idea to earnings. Eindhoven Tech Trails, innovate your way to online profits. Groningen Global Blogging, sharing stories, garnering income. Windmills and websites, flourishing as a Netherlands nomad. Maastricht Money Moves, online ventures in the southern city. Click the link in our bio and follow us to stay updated.